Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to Entry. Myself Rahul Mishra and I am a reasoning educator. Student, in this video, we are going to discuss IBPS RRB salary of 2020, that is of IBPS RRB PO and office assistant. Okay, their pay scale, in-hand salary and allowances, and most important thing is career growth. So in this video we have included the salary slip, and we have also discussed about the different type of allowances and work-life balance of IBPS RRB PO and office assistant. Okay, so do check out the video completely and do tell us in comment section which part of the video you like the most. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so let's discuss about the IBPS RRB salary of 2020. Okay, so aspirant who are aiming banking exam are often curious about the salary of IBPS RRB PO and clerk post, be it officer scale 1 or office assistant. So to help you or to resolve this problem, we are sharing the IBPS RRB clerk in hand salary slip and IBPS RRB perks and emoluments for officer scale 1, that is PO, and office assistant, that is clerk posters. This video aims at providing you with the latest information on the salary and related useful details. Okay, so let's start the discussion then. So first we will talk about the IBPS RRB in hand salary for the post wise. Okay, as we already know that IBPS RRB PO is known as IBPS officer scale 1. Okay, and office assistant is known as clerk. Okay, the name is different but the work nature is same. Okay, for officer scale 1 it is PO and for clerk it is office assistant. So first we will discuss about the IBPS RRB clerk, that is office assistant. Okay, so in hand salary is ranges between 21,000 to 23,000. Okay, now IBPS RRB PO, that is officer scale 1. So in hand salary is ranges between 42,000 to 45,000. And the next one is IBPS RRB PO, that is officer scale 2. In hand salary is ranges between 55,000 to 60,000. Okay, this RRB PO officer scale 2 means specialist officer such as law officer, okay, agricultural officer, IT officer, etc. Okay, now important point to be noted here that according to new rule in the banking sector, there is a deduction of 10% for NPS. Okay, basic plus DA. This 10% of basic plus DA will be deducted for NPS. Okay, in place of provident fund. Okay, so what is NPS? NPS means National Pension System. Okay, this is national, N for national, pension, P for pension and S for system. So instead of PF, the 10% of basic plus DA will be contributed to NPS. Okay, now next. Now this is IBPS RRB PO salary, that is officer scale 1 salary. Okay, so the basic pay of IBPS RRB PO officer scale 1 is ranges from 23,700 to 42,020. Okay, and IBPS RRB PO other allowances is given over here, that is DA is known as DNS allowance. It is 75.9% of basic pay. So this 75.9% of basic pay will be calculated on 23,700. Okay, if you are a fresher or you joined recently, so it will be calculated on 23,700. Okay, and HRA will be given to you, that is 7% of your basic pay. So addition of this on 23,700, the 7% of HRA will be calculated. Okay, and other allowances are depends upon the bank to bank. Okay, travel allowance, newspaper allowance is rupees 200 per month. Okay, medical reimbursement, that is 8,000 per year in case of officer scale 1 and 2,200 in case of office assistant. Okay, for entertainment you will get 400 rupees for 3 months and 1200 for a year in case of PO. Okay, leased accommodation you can get and other miscellaneous allowances, depends upon the bank. Okay, now next. Now enhanced salary of IBPS RRB PO, that is officer scale 1, of new recruits will be ranges from 42,000 to 45,000. Okay, officers in IBPS RRB draw salary almost equal to public sector bank, so there is no differences between the salary of IBPS RRB PO and the PO which are working in public sector bank. Both the officer salaries are same. Okay, after the selection as IBPS RRB officer scale 1, the candidate have to serve a minimum of 2 years of probation. During his or her probation period, he or she is eligible for the increment in salary like other employees. So okay, if you are newly recruited, then you have to give at least 2 years in your probation period. Then after completing your probation period, then your salary increment will be done. Okay, after completing of probation periods, the candidates are promoted to the post of assistant managers in the allotted bank. Okay, after successfully completion of probation period, you will be posted as assistant manager in your allotted bank. Okay, now a candidate based on his or her performance can grow in the organization. Yes, it depends upon your performance. If you perform more, your chances of promotion will be more. Okay, now IBPS RRB officer scale 1 perks and allowances. Okay, so IBPS RRB officer scale 1 is eligible for various perks and benefits. There is less work pressure in IBPS RRB as compared to the other bank. Yes, work pressure is less because as we see in normal public sector bank, the work pressure is very high. Okay, as we compared to IBPS RRB officer scale 1, the work pressure is very limited because they work in rural areas, so the customers is less, work pressure is also less. Okay, now next, employees have a decent work life balance under IBPS RRB officer scale 1. Yes, this is also true because the work pressure is less, so work life balance can be easily maintained. Okay, as compared to other PSBs POs, the IBPS RRB officer scale 1 work life balance is easily maintained. Okay, and also there is high possibility of home postings under this post. Yes, this is also true because if you apply for UP, let's say UP, so you will be posted in your state only. Okay, you cannot be posted to outside state. But in the case of PSBs, that is public sector bank, you are posted anywhere in India. Okay, so it is not sure that you will get your home posting. But in IBPS RRB officer scale 1, there is high possibility of your home posting because officer scale 1 works in that specific state only. But in PSBs, it is not so. Okay, now the last point, the cost of living is usually low in case of IBPS RRB officer scale 1 since posting is usually in rural areas. Yes, the cost of living is less because you will be posted to rural areas where your expenses will also be less. Okay, but in case of PSB, you are mostly posted to urban areas where expenses are high. Okay, now next, so here is the salary slip of the candidate posted as assistant manager at Maharashtra Gramin Bank. Okay, so the salary depends upon the bank to bank, but we have the salary slip of Maharashtra Gramin Bank, so we are discussing that only. Okay, now basic pay, that is 24,680, and DA will be calculated on basic pay, that is 75.9% of basic pay. If you calculate, you will get 18,732 rupees and 12 paise. Okay, and HRA is 7% of basic pay. If you calculate 7% of this amount, you will get 1727 rupees and 60 paise. And SPA is some special allowance. It is 3,364 rupees and 44 paise. If you add all these, you will get 48,504 rupees and 16 paise. Okay, where the total deduction is of rupees 7,841, in which 4,341 is contributed to NPS. This NPS is 10% of basic pay plus DA. Okay, and this fest amount is rupees 3,500. So this 3,500 is the amount of loan installment which is taken by this candidate. Okay, so if you not taken this loan, so the salary you can add, that is 3,500 in your net salary. Okay, now we will discuss about the enhanced salary of IBPS RRB clerk, that is office assistant. So enhanced salary is ranges between 21,000 to 23,000. Okay, this salary may vary for different organizations. Okay, so first we should understand what are the various components of this salary of IBPS RRB's PO and office assistant. Okay, so basic pay, this is the definition of basic pay. This is fixed amount of salary that an employee is eligible for in return for the work he or she does. Okay, so basic pay is fixed amount of salary which employees get after he complete his work, okay, in a month. Now DNS allowance, this is the amount of the money that is added to a person's basic pay or pension because of rising price and other cost. Okay, so as we see the price of the commodities are increasing, so DNS allowances also increases. This depends upon the price rising. Okay, so this is known as DNS allowances. Now this is changed every time taking inflation into consideration. So inflation is key component in calculating DA amount. Okay, so it may increase or decrease. Okay, now city compensation allowance, it is a type of allowance offered by the institution to their employees to compensate for the high cost of living in the metro and large cities. Okay, so to cope up with the cost of living in the urban areas or metro cities. Okay, so this city compensation allowance is given to the employees. Now next one is house rent allowance. It is a component of salary given by the organization to its employees to meet house rent expenses. It means that to pay rent if they are living in rented accommodation. Okay, so this allowance is given to the employees. This is a bit low compared to the other posts, but it is enough since the banks are located in rural areas. Yes, as compared to the other posts, the HRA is less for IBPS, RRBPO and office assistant because the mostly person posted in rural areas only, and there also the rent is less. That is why this is less as compared to others officers of PSP's salaries. Okay, now IBPS office assistant profile is starting step of lower management level of the RRBs. So this is initial step of starting your management level in your RRBs. Candidates after selection need to undergo a training probation for 1 period. So probation period or training period is of 1 year. In case of IBPS RRBPO it is of 2 years, but in case of IBPS RRB clerk it is of 1 year. Probation means training period. Okay, so now IBPS RRB office assistant perks and allowances. So the first point is work pressure in IBPS RRB office assistant post is comparatively less as compared to the similar post of other nationalized bank. So work pressure here also is less as compared to the clerks of other public sector banks. Okay, the post of IBPS RRB office assistant offers a lot of scope for further career development. So there is high chances that you can get promotions, okay, and you can get promoted to other above levels. Okay, but generally the promotion of clerk done after 3 years of joining. Okay, working hours are usually fixed for the post of IBPS RRB office assistant. So this is very important point. As you compare to PO, the working hour are not fixed, but in clerk post the working hour is fixed, that is from 10 to 5. Okay, now next, home posting is one of the best benefit offered by IBPS RRB office assistant post. So there is high chances here also you can get your home posting. So student, we have provided the salary slip of IBPS RRB office assistant 2020 below. Okay, so you can see over here that basic pay is 13,730, DA is 10,441, new special allowances is 1874 rupees, HRA is 1030 rupees, and transport allowances 425 rupees. So the total gross income in a month you will get 27,508 rupees. Okay, and here is the deduction. In NPS, the employee contribution is of rupees 2,418, and here this employee has taken the union subscription, so 50 rupees is also added in that. So the total deduction is 2,468. Okay, and net salary in hand is after deduction, that is 25,040 rupees. And here you can see the annual gross salary of IBPS RRB office assistant, that is 3,62,173 rupees, and net taxable income of this person is 2,54,380 rupees. See, this net taxable income, it depends upon the individual to individual, but your gross salary will be around 3,62,173 rupees. Okay, now you will also get annual perquisites of rupees 4,500 rupees. Okay, now we will discuss about the career growth in IBPS RRB. Okay, before being eligible for the promotion, the probationary officer has to serve a minimum period of 2 years as a probation. Okay, this thing I have already told you. And an office assistant has to serve a minimum of 1 year in the organization. Okay, first you will be posted as IBPS RRB officer scale 1, that is PO. After PO you will get promoted to assistant manager. After assistant manager, deputy manager, then branch manager, then senior branch manager, then chief manager, then assistant general manager, then deputy general manager, then general manager. So this is the career growth in IBPS RRB officer scale 1 post. Okay, so to help you to analyze your performance and to make you exam ready with actual exam like experience, we have launched a new course of IBPS RRB 2020 exam preparation. Okay, check the details of the course and take the free trial now. The link of the app is given in the description. Okay, to download our entry app, the link is given in the description box. When you download it, it will ask you the login detail. When you fill the login detail, you will get the interface like this. On our entry app, you will not only get the reasoning section quizzes, but also different subject quizzes which are relevant for your exam, such as quantitative aptitude, English, and general awareness. All these quizzes are being updated regularly. If you want to practice, what you have to do? You have to go in the practice section where you will get interface like this. Okay, you can click on the exam which you are preparing. After clicking on this, you will get your free mock test. Okay, so let's suppose you have clicked on SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, after clicking it, you will see the interface like this. Our app will ask you, are you preparing for SBI Clerk 2020? Then simply click on yes. Okay, then you will see the number of courses related to SBI Clerk 2020. You can attempt any of these course related to SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, let us suppose you have clicked on model exam. If you clicked on model exam, you will see the window like this or interface like this. Okay, in model exam section, you will see the number of mocks. Okay, you can attempt any of this mock because it is available free on our app. Okay, let's suppose you clicked on mock 18. Okay, after clicking it, you will get interface like this where it will show you the number of questions in that mock and total time allotted to it and the total number of marks. Okay, after attempting it, you will see the interface like this where you can see the number of questions correct by you and the wrong done by you and total number of question which is unanswered. Okay, after this, you will see this analytic window. Okay, this is very important because by seeing this only you will be able to analyze your weak areas and work on it. Okay student, if you like my tricks given in this video, you can purchase our premium classes which is available only on the Entry app, where I have taken various chapters like inequalities, puzzles and so on. By purchasing our premium classes, you will not be able to improve your weak areas, but also your marks in examination will also get improved. And student, you are getting another benefit also by downloading our app, that is you can attempt free daily quizzes and you can attempt live IBPS RRB rank booster quizzes as well. And daily live quiz is available at 10 a.m. on our app, and you will get daily 15 questions and time will be allotted to you, that is 15 minutes. So must download our app to boost your scores. Okay student, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe it. Okay, if you like our video, just give a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and do share our video to your friends and other those who are preparing, so that they can also avail the benefit provided by the Entry. Okay, see you in the next video student. Till then, take care. Bye bye.